to the tongues of the free, cause the TV can't take the way that we talk. Lost in celebrity, obsessed with sport. Can't broadcast to the heart of the source. Can't share the path that the ancestors walk. Be nice to think we formed a link between us all before the walls come tumbling down.
What do pirates call their swords? Yeah, cutlasses. And most of the time I draw cutlasses, they're drawn quite curvy, but actually they were all kind of really long and straight like that.
Okay, you first, and then you, then you.
In this land once lived Cerridwen. Born of her was a very troublesome son, and owned by her was a terribly oppressed slave boy.
My lightning bolts. Whoa, missed my lightning bolts. That was a nice one. Oh, well, not that one. Okay, and I'll come back to you. Hold that thought. Fire and lightning. Fire and lightning. Brilliant.
Come on, dude. What's your name? Oh, your name's Dude. That's a funny name. What's your second name? Duda. Dude and Duda. Too clever for you. I'm good. You are. Hold that there. Ready? Push, ball. Hey, steady. Should have done the risk assessment for a your dance. That was exciting.